Now I'm going to show these T's, Y's, and I's with some light weights. These are 5 pounds. I would consider these, for most people, especially rehabbing a shoulder, to be sufficient. And even I would start with lighter, like 1s or 2s for a while before you progress to this. So it's the same form as before. I'll just quickly demonstrate it from this view. Hip hinge, chin tuck. These are my T's. I can add a little external rotation. Definitely makes it harder once you do this. Okay, I can come up into my Y's. And then the I's are quite difficult with some weight. So 5 pounds is even pretty heavy for it, but I have these, so I'll demonstrate it. I suggest going lighter. All right, so we come up, externally rotate, and down. This will definitely challenge your low back strength. Real quickly. Add a little external rotation if I want. Taking into the Y's. And the T's.